The IRS watches businesses where much of the revenue they gather is from cash, because often those are businesses that might be skimming some cash and not reporting it. Keep watching to learn more about how the IRS looks at cash-intensive businesses. Cash-based business. Different business models have different methods of collecting revenue. If you hire a painter to paint your house or go to the doctor for a physical, you're likely to get billed and then pay with a check or credit card. When you go to the grocery store, you might use cash for a gallon of milk. Yet, if you're buying a cart full of groceries, you're more likely to use a debit or credit card or write a check. All these methods end up with documentation. Yet when you go through the car wash and hand out cash or tip your hairdresser or server at a restaurant, the cash doesn't have the paper trail. A cash-based business is one where their main source of revenue comes from cash. Audit Technique Guide. The IRS has a specific audit technique guide for cash-based businesses. It's broken down into chapters, 17 in all, and spells out the process an IRS auditor would use as they begin an audit on a cash-based business. The last 11 chapters of the guide discuss specific types of cash businesses. The first 6 chapters specifically go through how the auditor will proceed to gather information from the cash-intensive business. Chapter 1 provides background information. It lets the business know what the IRS might deem suspicious. Let's talk about some of the things the IRS might focus on. Digital cash. Think about all the purchases made on the internet. Digital cash is one area the IRS monitors for cash businesses. It includes e-money, electronic cash, or digital currency. You might think most digital cash could be tracked because it goes through a computer. Yet the IRS knows there are some businesses that have a large flow of digital cash and may not account for it all. Underground business. An underground economy is all the money earned by an individual or business that's not put in the books. Something is paid for by cash and not recorded into the books. This underground economy can be legal or illegal or even black market goods, including drug sales, money laundering, and warehouse banking schemes. Many underground economy transactions are single entrepreneurs who take cash for goods or services. The goal is often to avoid paying taxes on these transactions. Bail bonds. Bail bonds, by the nature of what they do and who they work with, tend to be cash intensive. Often the bail bonds don't have quality internal controls on the cash coming in, and that's what the audit would look for in this type of business. Car washes. Car wash is an obvious cash business. You pull up to the car wash, tell them the type of wash you want, and hand them the cash. It's not uncommon to see a car wash employee collecting money for the washes with a thick stack of cash in hand. Cars roll on and the cash is collected. The IRS will question how and if all the cash that was collected was documented and reported. If you run an all-cash business and are facing an audit, we can help. Our team of tax attorneys wants to help you handle the IRS and a potential audit. Contact us today to get your questions answered and the help you need. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.